Hey guys. All right. So today is quiz review day. So you should have received your quiz review yesterday. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna find slope between with a table. You're gonna find slope of a line. Remember to do rise over run. I'll be keeping an eye on those. Um, you're going to skip on your quiz review that you got yesterday. You're going to skip number 5. You're going to skip number 6 and you're going to skip number 7. You're welcome. There's your early Thanksgiving gift. So 5, 6, and 7, cross them off. You won't have to worry about them on this quiz. They'll pop up on the next quiz. I want to be there to help you with those. So 5, 6, and 7, cross them out. Be careful when you go formative and type your answers in. They're still going to be there, but you won't actually have to answer those. Number 8 and 9, find the slope of the line between 2 points. 10 through 13, it just wants you to say whether the slope would be positive, negative, 0, or undefined. So you're just like, I think those ones are multiple choice. 14, 15, and 16, you're actually writing the equation of a line. Make sure in order to write the equation in slope-intercept form, you need the slope and you need the y-intercept. So make sure you've picked those out from the graph. Looking at yesterday's assignment that some of you turned in and took seriously, that might be kind of an issue. So we did that for a couple of days, 2 or 3 days. So you need to make sure you know how to find the slope from a graph. And then the y-intercept is where it hits the y-axis. Like if you look at number 14, I'll give you kind of a free answer. For number 14, that graph right here is hitting the y-axis right there at 2, positive 2. So that means on the end of your equation, you'd have a plus 2. The rest of them are pretty self-explanatory, I think. 23, 24, and 25, it says to graph the equation. I'm not physically there to check your graphs, so I have another assignment in Go Formative for you to practice identifying your graphs, because that's where some of you struggled yesterday. If you didn't get yesterday's assignment done, I will be looking for those. Please make sure that you are turning them in or resubmitting them if you got them wrong. So any questions, reach out via email or on Go Formative during class. And then tomorrow's quiz day, make sure you know how to get logged into Schoology, because that's where you're going to be inputting your answers for your quiz. So good luck, and I'll be watching you guys.